Binisita kahapon, April 7, ni Manila Economic and Cultural Office o MECO Chairman Silvestre Bello, the third country ang Hualien Country, ang epicenter ng malakas na lindol na tumama sa Taiwan noong nakaraang linggo. Kasama ang kinatawan ng Department of Migrant Workers and Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, personal na inabot ni Chairman Bello ang mensahe ng pakikiramay ng pamahalaan ng Pilipinas sa mga Taiwanese national na naapektuhan ng lindol. Nagbigay din ang MECO ng 150,000 Taiwanese dollars na emergency assistance para sa mga Filipino organization doon.
Yeah, we would like you to know that we came here to extend the sympathy of His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to the people of Hualien and the people of Taiwan. He sympathizes with what happened to you, and especially those buildings that collapsed, and he hopes that not too much injury is caused to the people of Hualien.